Agriculture is the main occupation of India. Our mother earth is worshipped for providing food for all the humans. Due to modernization, people are unable to sense the danger which we are going to face in the future. The anguish and affliction of our farmers are undergoing these days can't be expressed in words. Now, let us watch the pathetic condition of our Indian farmers.
Scene 1. Village.
What can we do? Shall we sell our land?
No, don't do this.
Our land is like our mother.
We will not sell it at any cost.
Hello farmers, he is a big builder in Chennai. As I told you all yesterday, if you sell our lands to him, you will get 20 lakhs per acre. A plot in a layout which is going to me. Not only that.
I will give you a car.
Enough. Stop, man. I have kindled. Are you kidding? We want our lands. What you all say, folks?
No. Listen, gentlemen. I will give you 5 lakhs extra.
5 lakhs extra?
Yeah.
5 lakhs extra, Dad. It's a good chance.
Dad, we will sell our lands. I will go to foreign.
Even if you earn for your lifetime, you can't earn this much of money. Don't delay the fortune. Think quickly and give me a fortune reply tomorrow.
Don't miss this golden opportunity. Come on, let's go.
Scene 2. Village.
Even though we are highly educated, it is very difficult to get a proper job. We have an opportunity to settle in life. Why are you thinking like dumb fellows? Still, how many days should we clean cow dung and draw cattle?
Yes, Tamal, that builder has offered us 20 lakhs per acre, a car and a site. Instead of agreeing to that offer, our father denied it. We are fed up with this village. Let us sell our lands and settle in the cities.
Tomorrow morning, come to my home. I will convince my father.
Okay, Tamal.
Scene 3. Home.
Divya, get me some water.
Yes, Dad.
Dad, I want to talk to you for a while.
Tell me, my son.
I have completed my studies for more than a year. I am unemployed. If you can sell our field, I can go to foreign, get good job and earn more money.
What are you saying? If we sell our field, what we are going to do for food? Just stay and do farming.
Dad, I can't stay in this village and do farming. Even after farming all these years, we couldn't build a house. Still there is a loan in a bank.
Loan?
Dad, what happened?
Dad, what happened? Drink this water, Dad. Are you alright, Dad? I said, what brother is saying is true. Please agree that.
Please, listen to children. See how much will you struggle. The builder has come like a god. By selling this land, we can repay the loan and even build a house. And all our troubles will come to an end.
Even I will go to foreign and earn. During your old age, you can be relaxed and be peaceful.
Okay, as you wish. But I am not interested to sell my motherland.
And we can perform our daughter's marriage also.
Yes, Dad.
Scene 4. Field.
Oh my mother, all this you are fed my family with food. Now we are going to sell you. Today, the bond between you and me is broken. Everything is finished.
Everything is finished. Please forgive me, mother.
Scene 5. Home. airport after 20 years.
And once again, ladies and gentlemen, United Flight 1017 to Calgary is closing doors in 1 minute. Ticket and confirmed passengers must be on board at this time at gate B49. Attention on the concourse. United Flight 1017 to
Hi friends, glad to meet you.
Hi Tamil, glad to meet you too.
How are you, Tamil?
I'm fine, Murli.
But you are returning after 20 years. All the fields are sold and everywhere buildings are constructed. Everything is different now.
Come, let's go.
Tamil, wait. We have to buy oxygen kit to breathe.
Why?
We get oxygen just 40 km within the city surroundings. That's why we have to buy.
Since 20 years, I have not eaten Indian food. Let's go to a good restaurant and have lemon rice or sambar rice.
Now, where do you get the Indian food? Now you get only the tablet. If you want lemon rice, yellow color lemon flavor tablet. For sambar rice, orange color sambar flavor tablet.
Tablet? What are you saying? I'm very hungry. Let's buy tablet and water. Please give me lemon flavor tablet, 1 liter water and 3 oxygen kits.
Sir, here is the bill.
Oh my god. 1 liter water cost 1000 rupees. Each tablet cost 500 rupees. What's happening in our country?
Yes, Tamil. Now everything is costly. The country which you have seen before is completely different from what you are seeing now. The forests are demolished, the farmers sold their lands and settled in the city, farming lands are converted into layout.
Now who is ready to work hard in the fields? These 10 years, due to starvation, the foods are imported from other countries.
Now everyone has money, but they don't have peaceful life like before. Please wear oxygen mask. You won't get oxygen here onwards.
Friends, how long it will take reach our place?
About 20 minutes.
Our village is totally changing now. Where are the tall trees, green fields, blooming flowers, buzzing bees? Now I can see only buildings everywhere. For our greed, we have ruined our village. What to do? What to do? Now it's too late.
Nothing can be done.
Hey friends, wait. I think oxygen kit is over. I find it difficult to breathe. Do you have another oxygen kit? Please give it to me.
No. We are also having only one oxygen kit. Oh my god, help me. Our oxygen kit also get over.
Scene 7. Home.
Help me! Save me! I am in my home only. Thank God, it was only a dream.
Your friends have come, my son.
Let's not sell our field.
Are you crazy? Yesterday you convinced me to sell. I agreed to sell for your happiness. But now you are refusing. What's your problem, my son?
Yes, Dad, I realized about the big mistake I was about to commit.
What are you saying, my son?
Otherwise, in future, we have oxygen kit to breathe, flavor tablet for food.
Very good, my son. Like a soldier, protect the country, or farm, protect the land, or else the whole country will starve without food, oxygen, and water.
Yes, Dad, I will not go to foreign. I will do farming in our village. Because to sell cultivating land is like selling our own mother.
I am very proud of my child. Let's go and do farming.
India is an agricultural country. 70% of Indian people are farmers. They are the backbone of our country. A society where the farmers are in miserable state today is a part of starvation tomorrow. We need doctors, teachers, lawyers, preachers once in our life, but every day 3 times we need farmers. So, we save our farmers and support them for doing their agriculture. Thank you.
Save farmers!